better show to put forward. Waiting for the official signal from the referee, Mr. Rajiv Lochan there. He's having a tough day out there, maintaining absolute discipline on the competition field. And with that whistle, the two bots are on its way. Sakshi looking at the start of Team in Blue, PVP-IT from Bavdan. I think they are looking as a solid starter, picking up those rice seedlings quite neatly there. But let's see if they can plant it. But the team in red has already planted 2, and they're looking to plant 2 more in the planting zone there successfully. Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya has started off pretty well out there.
Yup, while it looked like that the blue team seems to be in much more of a rush, the start that the red team has had has been a very solid start. It's been a stable, steady, solid start. They've made sure that the planting or the seedlings that are being picked up by the robot also get planted into the holes and do not get dropped off, and that is all that matters. While the blue team, which started off in a rush and did look to get the pace and the momentum, finally landed up dropping or not being able to plant that many seedlings into the holes, unlike the red ones who have been able to plant the seedlings right into the spots where it was needed. And that is where we say that steadiness, efficiency, stability and pace, all of these combined together will only be able to give you results. And look at it, Akshay, the red team has planted all their seedlings into the right spots, and that's a very steady start with another 1 minute 35 seconds to go.
Absolutely, Sakshi, and instead of a steady start, it's like a picture perfect start for them. Just the right kind of start any team would like to have. It's a dream start for them. Successfully planting all the seedlings there, moving on swiftly to zone number 2 here, and now the autonomous robot looking to pick up. Mind you, this is Team Red. They will be picking up red ball first. It is compulsory. Likewise, it is for Team in Blue. They will have to start with blue ball to throw it into the area number 3. And comfortably placing itself, their autonomous robot is going to pick up the blue ball there. So now it's all down to zone number 2. But the advantage that Team Red, and look at the support in the stadium all around, cheering with them from every nook and corner. The confidence, the morale of the team is right up there. Seems to be a little unhappy with his team members as far as PVP-IT is concerned. He's signaling that why didn't you pull it there? Kyun nahi kiya aapne wahan par? These kind of, little bit of, such pressure cooker scenario. Beautiful match. I think it's a perfect match to start off the post-lunch session there. So the excitement that was building, it's only reaching the crescendo heights. Already 5 balls have been thrown into the area number 3 by Team number Red. Actually, the match is really exciting and it's looking good as far as the Team Red is concerned. They are in good control of the situation.
Yes, the red team look to be in a good control of the situation, and with that, the whistle goes off, the timer is over, and 3 minutes come to an end. And blue team did put in some valiant effort out there to come back into the game and give a tough fight by securing bigger margin of points out there by throwing the balls equivalent to the number of seedlings they had planted in the first zone. But I still feel that as close as they could have got possibly, this could go Red's way. We'll have to wait for the referee's result to come out for the final result and the scores to be told. A very, very good match right after the lunch break that we have witnessed, energizing all the students over here in Tyagaraja Sports Complex back into